Welcome to the world of making money online. Using the Chat GPT tool, an AI-powered cash cow machine that allows you to earn money without spending any money. This is an incredible opportunity that is built entirely on free software. And with this tutorial you can get started and earn money as a complete beginner. Within the first 3 days of using Chat GPT, you can earn up to a consistent profit of about $30 a day. And this amount can grow bigger over time. But the best part is that you do not need any money to get started. This may sound too good to be true, and there is a catch. Whenever a new business opportunity like this appears that does not require any money, everyone jumps on it and the competition increases. It is difficult to stand out when there are tons of people doing the same thing. This opportunity will eventually vanish when all the competition piles in. Therefore, you have approximately 3 to 6 months to make as much money as possible using this business model. Chat GPT is an AI discussion tool that enables you to have a conversation, ask questions, and get detailed answers using all the accumulated knowledge of humankind and the internet. Have you ever heard of Chat GPT? This cutting-edge technology is just one of the many products that OpenAI, a leading AI company, has developed. It's hard to deny that AI has been taking over the world in recent years. And the popularity of Chat GPT and other AI technologies only serves as further evidence of that. In this video, we're going to discuss the various ways in which you can start making money using AI, and specifically, Chat GPT. Firstly, one of the easiest and safest ways to make money in the AI field is to get a job that involves using AI, such as Chat GPT, for a company or organization. As the field continues to grow, there will be an increase in job opportunities in this sector. Therefore, it's crucial to learn about AI and how to use OpenAI or other AI technologies in general. By increasing your knowledge and skills, you can create more opportunities for yourself, especially in AI consulting, where you can teach businesses about AI and its potential applications. Another job opportunity within the AI field is for developers who can implement products from OpenAI or other AI platforms. For instance, if you know how to code in Python, you can create an API to interface with OpenAI and build some cool applications that businesses can use. One of the most practical ways to make money with AI is by using it to save time. Many people who do copywriting or marketing proposals, for instance, can use AI services to help them perform these tasks more quickly and efficiently. It's important to note, however, that AI-generated content may be punished by SEO in the future. Still, using AI to supplement your day-to-day actions can make your work much easier and save you time, which, as we all know, is money. Another way to make money with AI is to remove tedious tasks that users often do, like writing emails or code. Plugins that use Chat GPT models, for example, can write emails or code on your behalf, eliminating the need for you to do it manually. However, one of the most exciting ways to make money using Chat GPT and other AI technologies is to build your own products and services around them. For example, you can create a starter kit that allows people to use OpenAI and its models to build their own businesses. Additionally, you can build course content around AI, providing education and tutorials for people who want to learn more about this cutting-edge technology. Creating YouTube tutorials is also a great way to make money with AI. If you have always wanted to start a YouTube channel, you can explore the role of AI in your niche, and you will be surprised at the potential of this subject. As more people become aware of what AI can do, there will be a greater demand for educational content on the subject. Finally, perhaps the most impressive way to make money with AI is to ask Chat GPT for help. Whether you're an accountant, a copywriter, or a YouTuber, Chat GPT can assist you with your work by providing ideas and even writing scripts for your videos. In conclusion, AI is a rapidly growing field, and there are numerous opportunities to make money using Chat GPT and other AI technologies. Whether you want to work for a company, build your own products, or create educational content, the possibilities are endless. So, what are you waiting for? Start Start exploring the exciting world of AI today. Discover the easiest way to make money with Chat GPT, the world's smartest robot, and earn over $800 a day without any coding experience. This innovative tool has revolutionized the way businesses approach email marketing. And you can be part of this lucrative trend. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to generate substantial profits with just a few simple steps. Chat GPT is not just any AI tool. It's a groundbreaking software that can help you make money without breaking a sweat. The best part is that you don't need any prior knowledge or technical skills to get started. Chat GPT is free, and its unique ability to remember previous conversations makes it the perfect tool to build on a conversation. Since its launch in November 2022, it has already amassed over 1 million users, and businesses worldwide are jumping on the bandwagon to leverage its power. You might be concerned that AI technology will replace you, but fear not, as you are going to be replaced by another human who is using AI, at least not yet. Instead, you can chat with Chat GPT and blow people's minds with its ability to break down complex subjects and make them easy to understand. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Chat GPT can help you earn a considerable income by writing emails for businesses. Many businesses recognize the power of email marketing and use this tactic to drive billions of dollars in sales annually. However, writing quality email content that persuades customers and drives sales requires skill and time. As a result, businesses often outsource email writing to freelance writers on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, paying between $100 and $500 per email. With most businesses sending between 1 and 7 emails per week, freelance writers can earn anywhere between $400 and $15,000 per month from each client, making it easy to earn over $10,000 per month with less than 10 clients. But how do you get started? It's simple. First, make a free Chat GPT account, which only takes a minute. Then ask Chat GPT to generate 3 different versions of a short, punchy, friendly email pitching email marketing services. Next, ask Chat GPT to generate a list of types of local businesses, such as hair salons, pet stores, and photography studios, to name a few. Use Google to find local businesses in one or more of those categories. Now comes the exciting part. Send out those templates to 500 businesses. Yes, it might take a few days, but every successful client you land will start paying you month after month. Customizing each email for the specific business and industry is crucial. And you can ask Chat GPT to come up with a list of educational content to make the process easier. Rotating through the 3 templates initially is advisable, but if one is more effective than the others, focus on it and send it to all businesses. In conclusion, Chat GPT is the easiest and most profitable way to make money without any coding experience. This innovative tool can help you generate substantial profits by writing emails for businesses. And with a little bit of effort, you can earn over $10,000 per month with less than 10 clients. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Sign up for a free Chat GPT account today and start making money in just a few days. Chat GPT is a revolutionary product that has been created by OpenAI, a company started by Sam Altman. This product is changing the world in many ways. It has the ability to pass tests, write essays, and graduate from business schools. However, some people are scared of this product because it has the potential to replace humans in certain areas. In the next 5 years, it is possible that technology will exist which could replace creators. For example, a video image of a person could be generated and fed with a text to create content. Despite the fear, Chat GPT can be used to generate money and start a business. It is a powerful tool that can be utilized by marketers, business owners, and creators. When the technology was first encountered, one of the first things the user did was ask Chat GPT to generate a script for a video. Within seconds, it generated an evergreen script. This was helpful for the user's language learning channel, as educational videos tend to do well. The user's YouTube manager was ecstatic about the generated script because it made their job much easier. The next step was to ask Chat GPT to write a meditation for the user's channel. The user creates these meditations for language learners because they believe that mindset plays a crucial role in the learning process. It is possible to get discouraged by our own mistakes. But with the right mindset, we can achieve anything. Chat GPT can be used for email marketing as well. The user asked the product to create an email about the importance of posting short videos on YouTube. The user was working with a marketing manager to create a sequence funnel for their course. The email was great because it outlined the benefits of short videos on YouTube, such as improved visibility, increased engagement, boosted SEO, and increased trust and credibility. Chat GPT can be used to create more compelling sales texts. Another website called PAI has a limit on how many words you can generate for free, but Chat GPT does not have this limit. However, it is important to remember that Chat GPT has access to information before 2021. And some of the information may not be accurate. Therefore, it is not advisable to rely on Chat GPT to create newsletters about the latest trends. Instead, Chat GPT can be used to create evergreen educational newsletters. For example, if the user is running a language learning company, they can create an email about the top 5 tips to learn English. The email could suggest practicing speaking and listening daily, reading English materials, watching English content, studying grammar, and immersing oneself in English. If the user had had access to Chat GPT when they first started their business 11 years ago, they could have saved a lot of time and energy. They wrote all the text for their website in Russian and English themselves. Chat GPT could have helped them generate high-quality content in a matter of seconds. In conclusion, Chat GPT is a powerful tool that can be used in many ways. It has the potential to change the world, but it is important to remember its limitations. It is not a substitute for human creativity, but it can be used to enhance it. If you are a marketer, business owner, or creator, Chat GPT can help you save time and money. It is a product that should not be ignored.